made it to the secret temple. Our quest is almost completed.
Great. I need to use the bathroom.
Just use your helmet, or hat, or...
Too late.
I am the big boss. You are trespassing on my property. Why are you here?
We are on a quest to steal the Plunger of Power and wipe the world of evil.
You just told him our secret plan.
You will never have the plunger. My powers are invincible.
The Big Boss versus Toilet Paper Ninja and Diaperhead.
I found the Plunger of Power. Victory is ours.
Never!
Hey, look what I can do.
Big deal. So what?
Meh, I've seen it before.
Give it to me.
No fair.
Yo, that's mine.
Crazy kids.
Yo, that's mine.